when we come at work, we come at work. Yeah? Jamaica 2, Honduras 0. When we come at work, we come at work. Definitely very, very impressive by the young ladies. Most definitely really, really impressive by the young lady people. Really impressive. Jamaica 2, Honduras 0. So welcome people again to Jamaica. Welcome again to MG Sports TV, people. Thank you very much for joining me. Jamaica has defeated Honduras in the Concacaf Under-20 Championship qualifiers to advance to the Concacaf Under-20 Championship. Certainly, this is huge. This is huge, people. On the last day, today was the day. When I look at the Honduras team, I'm like, oh my word. I was stressing. I was so nervous going to that game, people. I was so nervous going to that game. Really. I was wondering, like, oh boy, I wonder if we can do it. We really can do it. Boy, I'm not sure if we can do it. I was caught in between two minds. But nevertheless, even when I do my preview show, I had Jamaica winning that matchup. So let's start off first by looking at the team sheet. Let's look at the starting lineup that coach layout out there, and let's see what it looks like. Why is this? Why is this? Why this looks so? Yeah. Good. So this is the starting lineup, people. Definitely. I think it's a good starting lineup. Two absentees. Akelia Johnson and Tiny Seaton. I'm like, interesting. Taking aback a bit. Taking aback a bit. Was wondering what was happening. Unfortunately, still no confirmation what in regards to what that's around. But definitely. So we had Brooks in goal. We had Nelson and Mignot as the centre back pair, and we had Wilson playing in the right off space area. Williams came in. Williams from Garvey came into the left back position for Akelia Johnson. Avery Johnson coming back in the central midfield position, the defensive midfield role. The normal Destiny Paul, Chanel Buckley is there. Maya over to the right hand side, David Richards on to the left hand side, and Atkinson leading the line. People, let me tell you something. It's been a while since I've been watching women football. I'm telling you, I was impressed with this performance. And let me tell you, not just it's a game of two halves. So let me take out my notes. I'm happy. Let me take out my notes. People. Alright, so let's start off with the first half. A very, very good start of the game. Early goal as well by Atkinson as a turn-up player, getting behind, scored a wonderful finish. Just sublime display. Now, 24 minutes. I made some notes or intensity or pressing, and Atkinson was chasing every single ball as if her life depended on it. She was chasing. She was running. She was all over the pitch, people. She had everything to play for. Even the statistics will show you how the game went on, because we ended and position went in favor of Honduras, but the first half the position was in favor of Jamaica. So as I'm saying, that's what I'm talking about, a game of two halves. Now, certainly, we push through the first half in fine style, I would say, but definitely the intensity, the pressing was quite good. We pushed them back. We chased them. We made them haste their decisions. We forced them to do stupid stuff. We set traps for them, and it was a good display for first 25 minutes. A very, very good display. So this is one of the things that I've noticed. And we pushed on in there. I do believe that we could have been a bit patient. We weren't that patient. I knew we wanted to get the game out of the way as fast as possible, like get the goals going, but we could have been a bit more patient. We didn't see the normal build-up play from the back. I understand the opponent that we're going up against a better opponent, so even build up from the back and the slightest error, you pay for it. The slightest error in build up from the back, you'd pay for it. Not like we're playing against Bermuda and Anguilla, you could build up from the back patiently and take your time and play around. But against a team like Honduras, the slightest error would have cost you. For on 30 minutes, I realized that there was about four to five players that they left behind. Each time we spring forward, there were 4 to 5 players clunge up in the center of the park trying to stop Atkinson. They were really targeting Atkinson to see how best they can minimize her activities, but they didn't really do a good job where that is concerned, because Atkinson alone put pressure on 3 defenders. Definitely. Fourth, going up to the 45 minutes, we were for the first half, for the entire first half, we were really dominant, very good in possession. We were decisive in good moment. I do believe patience is concerned. We could have been a bit more patient and let it flow through and maybe let things happen naturally. Think that we kind of forced in certain aspects, but definitely Williamson was okay. Moments there where she giving her some sloppy fouls. Definitely Mignot and Nelson were very aggressive in the defense line, picking players apart, making clearances, not taking no prisoners. As you know, Wilson, cool, calm and composed, playing our normal game. Avery Johnson providing that defensive support for the back four. Powell, who's in class as well, just the same as Buckley. I do believe that you could see tired legs in Buckley after 60 minutes, but definitely both Powell and Buckley show their class. Amaya, a very good right wing, left-footed right winger. You can see she always trying to put the ball on her left foot though, but a very good job, causing a lot of problems for the Honduras left back, pushing her back, pushing the team back. Richards as well, very aggressive going forward, consistent, trying to get herself in dangerous position, trying to get off something at goal, and she was quite good. Atkinson, now, it was the player of the match. She run her legs off, and I can't remember seeing a reggae boy, a male player, put in a work like effort like that. I can't remember witnessing a reggae boy put in the amount of work that Atkinson did. Let me tell you how I realized that she couldn't even run an ounce more. It was 1 minute left to go in the game. Like 90 plus, it was 90 plus 4, but a 90 plus 3, and she just could not continue. She just could not. The moment the coach took her off the pitch, she was just grasping for air. Anything she could get, any amount of oxygen she could get, she will try to consume it. She was brilliant. She ran her socks off. She gave everything. Now that is the level of commitment I want to see from every single player that represent the national team. She gave every single, I've never seen, I can't recall seeing a reggae boy, even a reggae girl, I've done that before, given every ounce of energy and leave it on the pitch, coming off without you don't need anything when you come off. And I have to say congrats, man. That was beautiful performance from Atkinson, and she deserved the 2 goals. She worked really, she scored the last goal in the later stage of the game, in between the 80th and 90th minute of the game. I think the 90 plus minute. I mean, she had to body 2 defenders, go around one and body another one to score that goal, and then pick her spot. Can you imagine how with tired legs, gasping for air, for oxygen? Brilliant performance, Atkinson. Brilliant performance. And I have to say, the Reggae Girls, they definitely deserve that. Now, let's get back to the second half now. I do believe that in the second half, though, we kind of sit off a bit. Honduras get back into the game. They're pushing us back. Really punching forward and causing a lot of problems. Even though, despite they had a lot more possession, it was not effective. They didn't have a lot of shots. They didn't create a lot of problems for us. And Brooks was just... the ball coming at Brooks was just an easy ball that she can just easily claim. Very easy. I was really concerned about in the 80 between the 80 and the 90 minutes. We seemed like we were kind of panicking a bit. I'm hastily kicking the ball away, not putting the ball down. Maybe, as I said, it was tired legs. From the 80 minutes, it was tired legs. So, coach never made no change. I didn't really understand that. But certainly, we pulled through, we fight through, we fought, we really, really fought through. And it was a well-deserved victory. A well-deserved victory. And I have to say that the Reggae Girlz, they 100% fought for that one. Congratulations to the Reggae Girlz. Congratulations in advancing to the championship. People, brilliant performance. I am ecstatic about that. Ecstatic. For the streams at me, I laugh. I'm laughing. But definitely, people, massive respect. Please do smash the like button. Give the girls them the support. And I've been seeing them, and I feel so proud. And most of them know me. But then, because all see me a match there. Most of them know me. But definitely, I'm so proud of them. So proud of them. Wonderful performance, girls. And hopefully, we'll see you at the next championship, at the follow-up championship, leading from this, continuation from this, and see what you guys have to offer. Blessings, my respect, people. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. If you're here for the first time, big up MG Sports TV. And we are out. Boom. Music!